Hi guys, welcome to this new lesson. Today I'd like to go over two pretty essential slang verbs, expressions that we use every single day in France. And again, not that I like to teach slang per se, just for the sake of it. It's just that I know for a fact, from my experience over the past 20 years teaching French, that this is something that all of you or most of you are missing when you go to France. And that's part of the frustration of not feeling fluent, is that you don't master the slang that the French use every single day. The first one that I wanted to mention is the verb abuser. Originally, abuser is to abuse of something, okay? But we use it in slang to say you've got some nerve. So you would say, for instance, oh, t'abuses, tu pourrais dire bonjour à ma mère. Oh, you got some nerve. You could say hi to my mom. Come on. You're talking about manners, okay? Tu abuses, okay? Manners, or not necessarily manners, it could be anything else, really, just an attitude. Donc t'abuses, tu pourrais payer la moitié de l'addition. Okay, you got some nerve, you could pay for half the check. All right. So a lot of times you'll just hear t'abuses in the sense of you got some nerve. Okay, t'abuses. Okay, again, we'll drop the U when it's followed by a vowel. Officially, we're not allowed to drop it, but we will in fact drop it when we speak. D'accord? So t'abuses, tu abuses in the sense of you got some nerve. Come on. The second expression I want to teach you is avoir de la gueule. Avoir de la gueule is very much used again, and it means to look good, to look great. Talking about things like a house, a car, a computer, like a huge TV. You say, oh, ta nouvelle télé, elle a de la gueule. Hein? Your new TV, it's huge. That's this huge screen. It looks awesome. Elle a de la gueule, okay? Same thing about a house, you know, your friend shows pictures of his new house, and you say, wow, elle a de la gueule. It looks pretty amazing, okay? And again, it's slang, but you will hear it quite a bit. So it's just for you to be able to understand when you hear it, all right? That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions on this or comments, please post them below, and don't forget to subscribe to the entire course. The link is right there or in the description. Don't miss out on this. It's a great opportunity to feel the same as someone who would have spent at least 2 years in France with me by his side or her side to learn every single thing, every structure that you would have only learned in immersion, all the vocabulary that we use all the time, every day. It's pretty daunting, it's challenging, it's fascinating though, and you'll feel like a native once you're done with the entire program. All right, if you have any questions, send me a note at alex@language-c.com, and don't forget that you can subscribe to the entire course for 50% off the first month with promo code France, and then you can unsubscribe, continue with the subscription, or switch to a purchase. All right, so I'll see you soon at Language C, and you see what it's like to speak like a native. À bientôt, salut!